Good morning everyone, my name is Ved Vishwakarma and I am from class 9. Today I am here with a very interesting topic which is that dowry system. I know that you all have heard about it. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of dowry system? You don't know? Okay, so I will tell you that the meaning of dowry system in Hindi is Dahej Pratha. I think that you all have seen it in many marriages. So I would like to tell you that what is dowry system. Dowry system is a process in which the bride's family has to give money and other things to the groom's family. So it can be money and sofa, luggages, etc. So don't you think that why should we give it? Why should the bride's family has to give these things to the groom's family? Is it good or bad? So I think that it is not good. If the family of if the bride's family is poor, so what they will be do? From where they will give money to the groom's family? And we know that from this system, many marriages stopped at during the marriage, and many marriages stop during the
many marriages breaks. Many marriages break.
Many marriages टूट जाते हैं. Many marriages break and it is very bad for the society, and there is a fight against between families. In the end, I just want to say that everyone thinks that the full form of dowry is Dahej Pratha, but it is not the real meaning. But according to me, the meaning of dowry system is donkeys of the money who relay money from wife. So we should try to remove this from our society and all over the world, and we should try to take many important steps for this system. Thank you for listening and cooperating with me.